Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to download Google Maps offline. Friends, if you want to download Google Maps for offline use, then you need to open Google Maps app. So here in Google Maps, you can download map for a complete city, or you can download a map for a route. Like if you are traveling from one city to another, so you can download the traveling map also. So first I will show you how we can download a traveling map. So suppose I want to go to Manali from Delhi. Then I search the place where I want to go, and here I will drag it little down, and in bottom I will find a icon. So I need to press on this icon. Here it will show the option to download map offline. So click on download and your complete route will be downloaded. So while traveling, if you have no internet, then also you will able to get the directions. So friends, this is helpful if you are traveling from one city to another, and if after reaching the city, if you want to travel within the city, then I need to again open the app. Now I will open the Google Map app, and here I will click on the profile icon. Now here I will find the option offline maps. Press on it. Now in the bottom I will find the option select your own map. Press on it. Now here I will find the map of the city. So with the help of fingers I will simply select the area where of which I want to download the map. Like I want to download the map of complete Manali. So I will select the area. Now after selecting the area, you need to press on the download button, and it will download the complete map of the area. This will be helpful if you want to travel within the city for tourism purpose. Then it will be helpful. It will guide you if you have no internet also. So friends, like this you can very easily download Google Maps offline. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.